After shedding blood, and then followed by this is an illustration that there is peace, and peace is going to be maintained, and this is going to reduce time for the Somalis and the Ugandans who want to come here, and this will help to cement our relationship further, and will promote communication between the people, business, goods, and so life will be greatly improved.
This is the second international airline that comes to Mogadishu. The first is Turkish airline. The second African airline is Air Uganda. The others are local airlines. This is a very good day for Mogadishu, and it's a very good day for the Mogadishu travelers.